Oh, it's real hard to break this habit. It's like I want you 24/7. When I'm without you, boy, I feel safe. Think you work better than my prescriptions. Nothing feels as good as you do.
Hi guys! Good morning! So si Papa, umalis muna siya kasi pinapabili namin siya ng food. Kasi hindi kami nakabili last night kasi gabi na nga kami nakauwi. And ngayon, chill-chill lang kami dito kasi mamayang gabi na lang kami lalabas. Or hapon pala, hindi gabi. Binuksan na namin yan. Bala namin ngayon, mag-swimming lang sa hotel. As in, swim lang. Kasi parang maulan. Pero okay lang. Ngayon ata yung pinakamaulan na day. Day by day, paulan ng paulan. Buti yesterday, hindi kami masyadong inulan sa Universal. Maaraw pa rin, kahit papano. Inulan lang kami nung palabas na iba, tapos na kami Universal. Papunta ng... Actually, pagdating natin ng surfers, hindi naman umuulan na. Which is good. Yung pauwi, umulan nga. Pero sa Uber na kami. Pero, diba, at least hindi kami masyadong like super duper na ulanan. Guys, so plano na yung mag-swimming. So, naka-attire na tayo. Ito lang yung swimming fit. Pero, ang lakas na ulan talaga sa baba. As in, hindi na siya umaraw-araw kahit papano. Yung blue na yan yung pool namin sa hotel. But, as you can see, it's raining in Manila. There's no pool. May tao? Wala. I-order ko pa yung swimming. Ready na kayo mag-swimming. Lap swimming. Ay! Mainit to! Mainit to!
Another lazy afternoon. Clouds covered in gray, coffee of the day. Almost fell asleep and soon I yawn at the display, third meeting of the day. But I can hear raindrops that dancing on the roof. It's like they're calling out, don't lose your youth, 'cause I can stay inside and type away inside.
Okay guys, so tapos na mag-swimming ang mga persons. So ito, ayan. Yun na ako, mag-shower pa si Papa, but may shower pa rin ako. Pero, ayun, yun yung hair ko after mag-swimming. I never like the after pool hair kasi super, ano niya. But, ayan guys. Ayan, naka-short lang ako. Pero, basa kasi kaya tinabunan ko. But, this is the swimming fit. But yeah guys, I'll update you later kung anong ganap namin. But for now, I think we're just gonna chill. Tapos maybe go down para bumili ng something. I don't know. But yeah. Okay guys. Ayun na sila. Pagod na sila maghintay. Dahil nag-ano pa ako. Nag-ano pa ako ng thumbnail para sa ina-upload kong vlog. Ayan, I just wore this. Ito kay Mama to, diba? Sa'yo to, diba?
Bata.
This is her shirt before. Ano mo, kasya na sa akin yun. Heirloom! Yan yung heirloom namin ni Mama. Dito na kayo mag-iikot around the area lang. Ayan. Kasi last, na namin to. Kailangan namin bumalik ng medyo maaga-aga tonight. Kasi nga, kinabukasan, flight na namin. And, good news, medyo nag-clear up yung weather compared earlier. And hindi pa kami nag-lunch, so we need to eat. So, ayun. Okay, let's go. Let's go, people. Guys, the struggle of using Google Maps. Masarap daw dito yung cheesecake. Hindi nga tayo cheesecake. Masarap daw dyan eh. Si Eunice, favorite niya. Yung friend ko. Loki wants some too. Oh yeah. Parang tart. What do you want? Ang dami palang biscuits eh. Guys, I'm wandering off on my own kasi gusto ko i-check yung mga parang stationery stores. Kasi hindi ko alam kung ito, sabi ko na, hindi ko alam sa hinahanap ko. Dito lang po. Di, ayun, katabi. Check some stuff. How cute! Guys, ang dami nilang blind box. Look. Ang nilang blind box. Ang dami. Ang daming blind box. I don't know what this is. Hindi ko nakikita. Ito tinitignan ko. Whoops. Whoops. Gosh, I need these for my period cramps. Follow me. How cute! Ayan guys, magkatabi lang sila. Mint Midas, mga cute stores. Let's look at this one naman. I have so much. Oh my god, they're playing BTS. Slay for them. Oh, blind box.
Drinks. Wala tayong drinks.
Ang tawag dito na? Uptown? Ha?
I got a jelly cat. I got the purple. Nag-iisa na lang. Put it in my bag natin na lang. Nasa bag ko na siya.
Dapat ano yan?
Wait guys, may gusto ko i-taste test. Ito yung binili ko sa Rimo. Parang Hokkaido cheesecake siya. Parang other brand ng Hokkaido cheesecake. Chow? At ang tawag ko siya? Kasi na-Nutella
This, ano yung nandun display lang yun?
Hindi,
gumagawa sila.
Ang ngayon nalagyan na ng feeling. Meron siyang chocolate feeling ko. It's not too sweet. Which is good. Guys, ito muna lunch namin or pangpatawid gutom for now. Nene chicken. Nag-announce si J-Hope ng concert niya. And we're trying to convince my mom na pauwi na ako ng Pilipinas. Anyways, wag mo iniiba yung usapan. You're caught on cam. Sabihin mo, papayag ka na umuwi ako ng Pilipinas.
Hindi.
Para kay J-Hope. Please guys,
Pangit yun
comment
kasi
down below.
iisa lang yung K-pop. Dapat all K-pop.
Hindi, okay lang yun guys.
Sulit ang bayad. Ang mahal-mahal.
Mahal na flight, no? Feeling ko afford ko yung
Magpa-flight ka
afford ko
pa,
yung ticket. Yung
magti-ticket ka
flight.
pa.
Yung flight ang mahal.
Tapos one K-pop lang.
Si J-Hope yun. It doesn't matter if it's one or ano.
Kailangan doon si Jungkook.
Si Jungkook. Si Jungkook. Shipper ka ba ng Jungkook? Ayan. Ito pala yung pupuntahan namin. Yung Star thingy building.
Star.
May pwede nga eh. Feasible siya kasi yung schedule ko sa uni guys. Ano, Tuesday, Wednesday? Tuesday, Wednesday. Eh, yung concert Saturday. So, feasible ako makabalik before then.
kami. Ulitin mo nga. Pataas. Pag ano.
Ganda yung request ko.
Pataas. Pag ganyan.
So we went to the sky deck thing, which is actually inside a hotel called The Star. It's like a luxury hotel with like casino and the rooftop restaurants and all that. And my dad's friend Tita Franny actually told us about this place. This wasn't really part of our itinerary and we had no idea this existed. But it reminds me so much of Singapore's Marina Bay Sands. This one's just not as high. But as you can see, the view is very reminiscent of Marina Bay for me. And you can see the Brisbane River. And besides the great view, one of the attractions here as well is the glass floors. So they have a section where the floor is glass. Basically, you can see what's underneath you. And yeah, and I think underneath is a pool. Guys, ito yung bridge para makakross dun sa South Bank, which has the Brisbane Sand. And then, yeah, tapos nandun kami sa taas kanina. Ito guys, yung Brisbane sign. Pero hindi pa siya umiilaw. Gusto ko umilaw siya. Gusto umilaw. Pilitin mo, pailawin mo, sabihin mo man. Nandito na ako, pailawin niyo po. Ilaw siguro yung pagmakulit. So excuse the change in camera quality because when we started going back for dinner, it started raining, so I didn't want to ruin my camera, so I used my phone instead. And look at this. I think this is the City Hall and it's rainbow. But yeah, so we ended up having dinner. My dad met with a few more friends and we had Korean barbecue together. As you can see, I think this is our goal in life. Itatry namin talaga lahat ng Korean barbecue restaurants. But yeah, it was a nice meal like last time. Guys, so we're done with dinner.
Ay, bahay.
Bahay. Oh, dito ka nakatira. You live there. You're a local. So we're done with dinner. We just had Korean barbecue. We're gonna go home na kasi we have to wake up early tomorrow for the airport. God. Anyways guys, wala naman sasabihin ko ngayon, but we're just chilling at the hotel. It's our last night. Tomorrow, mga 5 or something, mag-check out na kami. So we have to prepare our stuff tonight para bukas, gigising na lang and then check out. And then, ayun, kailangan ko rin mag-ano ng mga kung anik-anik ko. Yung tote bag ko, ayan. Tomorrow, flight namin papuntang Gladstone, which is where my cousin, my aunt, and where my grandma is currently right now. So, doon kami magsistay for the next 2 weeks. I don't know what I'll vlog there. I'll see you guys tomorrow na lang. So, see you tomorrow. Pa-pa-pa.
Crazy like a kaleidoscope, blurring my vision, lead me on with invisible. Oh, you give me just enough to hold.